Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through two ways on how to format and reset your Lenovo Ideapad 130S. And this PC is just like any other PC. You can go to settings, which is our first step to reset this computer, and this one is on Windows 10. So what you'll need to do is you want to go on the Windows icon on the left corner, then you want to go to settings. Once you open up settings, it's gonna show the search bar on top, and you want to search reset. You're gonna see reset this PC. You want to click on that. It will open up the recovery page, and here is going to be your first option on top, get started, to reset this PC basically. Once you click on this one, it will open up this message and it will tell you to keep your files or remove everything. I'm going to go with the second option right here, to remove everything. Now it's going to ask you again if you want to keep your files or fully clean this PC, and you can just go with the second option if you want to clean your computer, and it will go on from there and we'll start resetting. I'm just gonna hit cancel so I can show you the second way on how to reset this PC. The second way to reset this PC, it's a little bit tricky. It's different from other computers, and I believe Lenovo does this with most of their PC or computers. You will need this tool in order to take you to the recovery screen. So what you'll need to do, there's a small hole right there, right next to the SD card slot, and you want to press and hold for a couple seconds. Once the phone shuts off, you want to release. As soon as you see the Lenovo logo comes up, you want to press that button again. Then it will take you to the recovery screen, and I'm going to show you now what to do. So as you see right here is about to turn on. You want to be prepared, then you want to click it, then it's going to tell you please wait. Once you see the please wait, it's basically going to take you to the recovery screen. You want to use this method if you forgot your passcode, or if you bought this similar computer from somebody and they don't know what the password is, and you want to be able to format it and delete everything off of it. As you see next, this will come up, which is the recovery screen. It's going to be the blue screen, and it says recovery. Then you want to go with the first option, so it will take you to the recoveries. So what you need to do now, you want to use troubleshoot option. Then you want to use the first option, which says reset this PC. On this screen, it's basically asking you the same thing if you want to keep or wipe clean this PC. So we chose the second option to reset this computer. Now it's going to give you a few other choices. So just remove my files or fully clean this drive. It's basically the same as the other step, but it looks slightly different. Once you choose the fully clean, it will take you to another screen, and it will tell you basically you are ready to reset your PC, and you can either click reset or cancel. What we're gonna do, I'm just gonna hit the reset because I need to reset this PC anyway. So then you can read this if you want. I'm just gonna hit reset. The PC will restart, and it's gonna start wiping the data off this drive. As you see right here, it started to reset this laptop. This process will take anywhere from 30 minutes up to 2 hours. It may take longer. It depends on how much data and stuff you have saved on this computer. Let it do its own thing. Do not restart the computer, and make sure the power cord is plugged in. Do not unplug it, in case if you have a bad battery, you don't want the phone to shut off in the middle of the process. So let it do its own thing. Once it's done up to 100%, it's going to restart a couple times. It's going to finish resetting and installing some softwares and programs to your PC. And once that is done, it will take you to this setup menu, where as if you just bought the computer. You set it up, then that's all you need. This basically concludes our tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.